Hi, Elliot from the Curtain and Blind Company, and in this short video we're going to be talking about our custom tracks. When you order a curtain with the Curtain and Blind Company, you get the option of ordering a custom track with it. This is a miniature version of the custom track. It has a very minimalist, sleek design. It's versatile enough to accommodate a wave pleat or a pinch pleat, and it can also be attached to double brackets. So if you wanted to have a blockout paired with a shear, this is the perfect track to do that. As you can see behind me, we've got one set up. This is about 2.8 meters, and it's designed to have a shear and a blockout in front of it. Now, depending on the size of your track, for shipping reasons, we do split the track. So as you can see on the back of this here, we have a little joiner. We supply an Allen key and you just tighten that up and it creates a seamless space between the pieces of bracket. Easily installed and easily hung. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call.